Hello all, welcome to our channel. In the series of cryptocurrency, today we are going to look into Bitcoin's journey towards the mainstream from investments to acceptance. So Bitcoin, the world's first and most famous cryptocurrency, was shot to record highs as it gained legitimacy as an asset. Most of their gains have been fueled by interest from big US institutions. Here are some steps from big companies, large investors, bank, payment processors that have shifted Bitcoin closer to mainstream in recent months. Okay, so recent investments that we are going to look into. So in May 2020, fund manager Paul Tudor Jones makes the case for Bitcoin as a store of value. Then in August 2020, Michael Saylor led business software firm MicroStrategy announced purchase of 21,454 Bitcoins for $250 million, the first of several investments in cryptocurrency. In November 2020, these are recent investments which led Bitcoin from investment to acceptance. In November 2020, Bitcoin billionaire investment Stanley Druckenmiller and BlackRock fixed income chief Rick Ryder made positive public comments about Bitcoin as gold alternative. In January 2021, investment bank JP Morgan Chase and Corporation says Bitcoin could hit $146,000 and it could become an established safe haven. Weekly flows into crypto funds and products hit a record of $1.3 billion and total investment scales a new peak of $34.4 billion according to asset manager CoinShares. In February 2021, car maker Tesla Incorporation announces it brought $1.5 billion in Bitcoin and says it will soon accept the cryptocurrency as payment for its vehicles. Bitcoin owners now include 169-year-old insurer Mass Mutual, asset manager Galaxy Digital Holdings, Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey's payment firm Square, Canadian software company Snapper, and coin miners Marathon and Argo. Acceptance. This was investment. Now is acceptance. So in July 2020, US banking regulator, the Office of Comptroller of Currency, says national banks and Federal Savings Association may provide cryptocurrency custody services. In October 2020, payment processor PayPal allows customers to hold Bitcoin in their digital wallets and use it to shop at the 26 million merchants on its network. On February 2021, MasterCard discloses plans to support cryptocurrency payment across this network. So this was a short brief about Bitcoin's journey towards mainstream from investments to acceptance. Thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more such content to our channel. Also do like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get the latest video notifications to our channel. Thank you.